Three questions every interviewer will ask about Prometheus. What is Prometheus? How does it connect to Spring Boot app? Collect the data. Let me answer all three questions in part 3 of observability series. First, Prometheus is time series database. That means it collects metrics over time. It does not wait for your app to send data. Instead, it goes and pull it, and that pull is called scrape. So the first file is prometheus.yml. This is Prometheus config file. Scrape interval 15 seconds. That means every 15 seconds go and check my app. This is the job name we have given, swiggy-spring-boot. Now, metric path. This is Actuator Prometheus endpoint. This we have already configured in part 2. Concentrate, target, host, Docker internal 8080. This is how Docker will reach your machine's local host. The second important file is docker compose.yml. Here I have configured two services, Prometheus and Grafana. Prometheus will start on port 9090 and Grafana will start on port 3000. So when I use the command docker compose up, both services will get started. The next question, how does it collect data? Prometheus knocks on this endpoint every 15 seconds and your Spring Boot app will respond with all the current metric value. On the terminal 1, I will start my Spring Boot app. The app has been started. I will start another terminal and run command docker compose up. Prometheus and Grafana is also started now. Now let's check whether the Prometheus is up or not. Prometheus is up. Now let's check the status of our Spring Boot app. So let's go to status, then target health. See, Swiggy Spring Boot, that is the job name which we have provided. So see, this is up and connected. So I want to see HTTP server request seconds count. Let's place few orders. I have placed 2 success. Now let me place some failures. See, I have placed 2 success. The rows have increased, right? And the failure is also increased from 1 to 2. Look at the result, right? So this is your application. There is no error. This is the instance on which it is running. This is the job. This is the method. Outcome is success. And this is the URI which is hitting. That is Actuator Prometheus URL which we have configured. The count is 40, means it has scraped 40 times so far. And every 15 seconds it's doing this, right? So if I refresh, scrape more. In part 4, we will see how Grafana turns these into a beautiful dashboard. So see you there. Thanks. Follow for more.